I feel like I'm on a general rant here, so I'm just ranting about everything and anything.
Got 24 seconds and it's starting right now.
Continue.
So am I in the right thing?
You're not in the right thing. So you know what it is. Yeah.
I'ma take a bougie ass to Rodale and then let her pick up whatever she want. 60 Gucci hippo, take her whatever she want. She pissed me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about a nails, I'm finna nail her as a home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing Maze, I made her tell me what she want. She on a pie trip again. I know pussy pie got me buying shit again. Friends ain't jacking me, you must be lying.
Hey beautiful people, welcome back to this channel. It's Efua here, and so this vlog is just a bunch of random days in my life. These are not in order, just random days I recorded and I decided to put together as a vlog. So here I'm about to make a dress because I had an upcoming event that I wanted to wear it to, and as you can see, some of my nails are missing. Like, you know the struggle. I hit one on a table or something and then it popped off and the other one just fell off, so this is what I have left. Anyway, this is me wrapping thread around the bobbin, and the dress I'm making is a longer version of that mini bralette dress. I have the tutorial on the channel, so you can check it out for measurements and cutting and whatever. It's the same thing basically. The only thing is that this time I'm making a longer version, and this time it's for myself. The first one was for someone else. Yeah. Here. I use straps. These are the bra. These are the waistbands. This is me on day 3 or was it 4 of learning to drive, and I'm giving my instructor a headache, one wrong move at a time.
Yes. Continue. Proceed.
So am I in the right thing?
You're not in the right thing. So you know what it is. Yeah.
I've recorded this one before, but I don't know, because I couldn't get nowhere to mount it, it kept shifting. But yeah, I've recently been you guys, I get so much anxiety filming outside. Like right now I'm even in the car, but like people are watching, so I'm getting anxious. But anyway, so recently I've been learning to drive, and I don't vlog it because like who has the time for that? Actually, I've been trying to be focused because I've not gotten my hand on it very well, so I can't really be driving and be vlogging at the same time. Here at the Ghana, people stare. Oh, hey, I don't want to look there, but so the guy that's teaching me, my friend, is teaching me to drive. So we currently made a stop at a mechanic so he can get something. There's this mechanic in front of me. I don't want to look there. He's sitting on top of a car and he's in front of me, like in front, and he's staring so much. I don't know why I am uncomfortable to make him feel uncomfortable, because he's making me feel uncomfortable, but I don't want him to realize that I'm looking at him. So yeah, that's that. You know what? It's okay. The anxiety has won. They're looking at me too much. It's okay. The anxiety has won. So bye. I feel like I'm on a general rant here, so I'm just ranting about everything and anything. But while we're on the topic, you know how, like, I don't know, me personally, starting YouTube, and for me was like, it's fun. It's how do I put it? A hobby. If you know me, you know I'm a hobby collector. Like, I do everything and anything. Okay, so starting YouTube, one of the things I was a bit scared of And it's not just with YouTube, like with every hobby I pick up and everything I'm doing in this life. One of the things I'm usually scared of is including people prematurely. Like, what do I mean? Like, when you start a YouTube channel, of course the first thing you want to do is you want to tell your mom and your dad and your sister and your friend's dog or whatever to subscribe. I didn't do that. A lot of people don't know about the channel, and I feel like the people in my life that know, they just like they stumbled on it randomly. I didn't talk about it, and I still don't, because one of the things genuinely in my life, like, it worries me a bit, is involving people prematurely. Like, somebody would say something, somebody would do something, not in a free. I don't know, and I genuinely enjoy doing this. So, like, involving people, no, it's not really, I don't know. I feel like I just want to do it because it's fun. Yeah, one day they'll find out. It's not like I'm scared. I'm not hiding from anybody. I'm not scared of anybody. But, like, I feel like if they do find out, then good for them. It's your time. God wanted you to find out. But until then, no, you won't catch me announcing like, "You guys gotta subscribe to my channel." No. Okay. You guys, if you know this lip gloss, I'm sure. This one. It's called a Absolute. The Absolute. Actually, mo no go to. It feels like glue, and it's been leaving this whitish line and the inner part of my lip, like, bro. But yeah, you guys, a little rant before my friend comes. I don't even know if I mean like the shot very well or not. But yeah, I feel like this whole YouTube journey and thing, I like it. It's nice. That's why I got into it in the first place. But at the same time, sometimes I feel like it's boring because I don't have anything to vlog. Not that I don't have anything to vlog, but like, genuinely, I don't know what to vlog for you guys. So I am begging you, like, literally, in sad dance I am, or whatever they say, comment what kind of videos you want to see. And I think another problem I'm facing here is anxiety. Like, when it comes to vlogging, you know how we're all like I don't care what people say about me. Yeah, it's all fun and games until like they actually start saying, and then you know whether you care or you don't care. But I think generally it's about, sometimes you pick out your tripod, start filming in public, and you're like, what if they're uncomfortable with it? Like, my problem is people being uncomfortable with it, because you don't just want to have a camera like in somebody's face like that. Yeah, the spa vlog I recorded, like, when I went there, the lady that was doing my thing, she was so sweet. Like I said in that video, she was so sweet. She was even like adjusting the angles and all, like, not any woman crossing me, you get. But anyway, one of the other problems that I have is, I'm really problem now. Sorry, I got carried away watching people watching me. So I think this thing, I feel like it's just going to take getting used to, because abba.
You got 24 seconds and it's starting right now. Shots like, ooh, yeah, yeah. Better not stop. Shots like, smoke up. Can you beat the shot? Shots like, I'm gonna let it. I ain't got that much time. You seem anxious, you seem adamant, but you ain't pressing. Shots like, You got 24 seconds.
So you guys, we just finished watching Spider-Man Brand New Day. I don't know how I feel about
it was 10
this
out of
one.
10. Chef kiss.
Okay, bye. I'll talk to you in the next